Hello everyone! Today we are going to draw a cute and simple cow step by step. First, let's draw a big round face for our cute cow. Draw the curved mouth area inside the face. Add two little eyes.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, 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 skip.
Next, add two tiny nostrils.
Skip to my
Let's draw the two horns on top of the head.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream.
Now add one ear on both sides.
My darling.
Wow! Those ears make our cow look extra adorable. Time to draw the body. Make a large rounded shape.
Cows in the pasture. Moo,
Draw the legs underneath.
moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture. Moo, moo, moo. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Strong little legs to help our cow walk around the farm.
to my Lou, 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 skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip.
Let's add a long tail at the back.
Lou, Lou, skip to my
Don't forget the fluffy tip.
Lou, 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 skip to my Lou.
Now carefully trace over the drawing with a darker outline.
2 by 2, off to Texas.
This makes everything look neat, clear, and professional.
To my Lou, my darling.
Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, Lou,
Don't forget to subscribe.
Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling.
Let's add the first black spot on the body.
My partner, what'll
Every cow needs its unique pattern.
I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, Lou, Lou,
Now draw another spot in the middle.
to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling.
Found my partner, love is true. Found my
Finally, add the last spot near the back. And just like that, our cow is complete. Awesome! Look how a few simple shapes turned into this super cute cow drawing.